Good morning students. Today I will go with 10th class. Subject is mathematics. As earlier I explained the concept of GST. Today I will explain exercise first A. I think GST concept is clear to you all the students. So here is the exercise first A. Question number 1 is for the following transaction within Delhi means it is the case of intra-state transaction, means it is within the state. So fill in the blanks to find out the amount of bill. So here is market price, MRP is given 12,000 and discount is given 30% and GST is 18%. Then you have to find discount, selling price, CGST, SGST and integrated GST. Then find the total amount of the bill. Let us calculate it. So here market price is rupees 12,000 and your discount is 30%. Then for discount find the 30% of rupees 12,000. Then 30 upon 100 multiply by 12,000. Then its answer will be 3600. Here you can write discount is 3600 rupees. Then selling price means after deducting the discount you will get the price. So you can write here market price minus discount. So market price is rupees 12,000. So subtract here 3600. So your answer will be here 8400 rupees. After subtracting it you will get this selling price 8400. Here you can write 8400. Then CGST, here rate is given 18%. As earlier I explained to you कि if condition is of intrastate transaction then half share will be for central government and half share will be for state government. So here is the rate 18%, half of 18% is 9%. So find 9% of 8400 rupees. So its answer is 9 upon 100 multiply by 8400 rupees. Subtract this. So multiply 84 with 9. 84 with 9, 36. Then 72 plus 3, 75. So 756 is the CGST. Here you can write. Then SGST. I told you कि half share has gone for both. So we will have to find 9% of rupees 8400. So 9 upon 100 multiply by 8400. Same answer will come 756. So also you can write here 756. Then IGST. IGST means integrated GST. So here its value will be 0. Why? Because for intra transaction only CGST and SGST will be applied. So here its value will be 0. So amount of bill your selling price and CGST plus SGST will be added. So selling price was 8400 rupees, CGST value rupees 756 and SGST is also 756. So after adding it we will get the value 9912. This is the answer. Here you can write amount of bill. I think it is clear to you. Then question number 2, for the following transaction from Delhi to Jaipur. See here, Delhi to Jaipur means transaction is from one state to another state. So it is the condition of intrastate transaction. Here no CGST will be there, no SGST will be there. We will find IGST. In the case of intrastate transaction, we will find IGST, integrated GST. So let us take here this example. MRP is 50,000 and discount is 20%. GST is 28%. This full GST will go to center government. So discount is, find a discount. Discount is 20% of rupees 50,000. So selling price is equal to market price minus discount. Here we will find the selling price, then we will find IGST. Full value will go to the center government, so find 28% of selling price. Then amount of bill will be selling price plus IGST. This question you will do yourself. I think it is clear to you. Then come to question number 3. A computer mechanic in Delhi charges repairing cost from 5 different person A, B, C, D, E with certain discount. Means for the first person his discount is 30%, for the second person means rate of discount is different for each person. 5 persons are here. So here is the table is given. If the rate of GST is 18%, find the money included GST received by the mechanic. So it is Delhi charges. So transaction is within the state. It is the case of interstate transaction. So GST is 18%. So equal share will go to the central government and state government. So we will need to find CGST and SGST. Then we will find the total money, means amount of bill we have to find. So let us solve this. You need to make a table like person A, B, C, D, E. Here is repairing cost. Repairing cost is 5,500 rupees, 6,250, then 4,800, then 7,200, 3,500. Then discount is here is 30%, means you need to find 30% of 5500. So you can solve in the rough work also, you can solve here, you can also show here. Let me show here. So 30 upon 100 multiply by 5500. So now 55 multiply by 30 is 1650. I think it is clear to you. This discount is for person A. Then for person B, cost is 6250 and its discount is 40%. So find 40% of 6250. So 40 upon 100, 6250, these zeros are cancelled. So multiply 625 with 4. Multiply in the rough. I got the value here 2500. So question number person C, your rate is 48% and discount is 30%. So 30% of 4800 is equal to 30 upon 100 multiply by 4800. So multiply 48 with 30, we will get the value after multiplication 1440. You will have to solve in the rough. Then for person D, discount is given here 20%. So find 20% of 7200. So 20 upon 100 multiply by 7200, 2 zeros are cancelled. So 72 multiply with 20, it will give 4, then 1440. Then for person E, discount is 40%. So 40% of 3500 is equal to 40 upon 100 multiply by 3500. So 35 multiply with 40, it will give the value, then 0, 20, 12 to 14. 1400 is the value. Then here in this example, next step was selling price. So we will find here selling price. Selling price you will get after the discount, after deducting the discount. So here you need to subtract 5500 minus 1650. So 5500 minus 1650, it will give the value. So 10 is here, 5, then 14 minus 6 is 8, 4 minus 1 is 3. This is the selling price. Again you will have to subtract 6250, then 2500, you will get the value. I am writing direct value here. So here your value is 3750, and for C 4800, then minus 1440. So its answer will be 3360. Then for D 7200 minus 1440, you will get 5760. Then 3500 minus 1400 will give you 2100. Then Next step was to calculate CGST. Then here rate is 18%, so 18 half is 9%. You will need to find the 9% of this one, selling price. Here you can write heading 9% of selling price. So 9% of 3050. In the rough work you can solve. Suppose I am writing here, marking a line. After calculation I will write the answer here. So 9% of 3050. So here I will calculate 9 upon 100, 3500, 850. Then these zeros are cancelled. So multiply by 385 with 9 gives 3465 upon 10. So its answer will be 346.5. So here we will write the answer rupees 346.5. Also here we will calculate 9% of 3750. So 9 upon 100 multiply by 3750. So this will cancel. Multiply 375 with 9. 375 with 9. So 45. 9 sevens are 63. 63 plus 4, 67. Then 9 threes are 27. 27 plus 6 is 33. So 375 upon 10 change into decimal, 337.5. I think you know this. I no need to explain this. So here you will write rupees 337.5. Next is calculate the 9% of 9 upon 100, 3360. So this 0 will be cancelled. So 336 multiply by 9. 9 6 are 54. Then 27. 27 plus 5, 32. So 27 plus 3 is 30. So your answer is 3024 divided by 10, change into decimal, 302.4. So here you will write 302.4. Next, also find 9% of 5760. So multiply by 576 with 9. So 54, 35, no, 63, 63 plus 5, 68. Then 45, 45 plus 6, 51. So here answer is 5184 divided by 10. So change into decimal, then it will be 518.4. right here 518.4. So next, 9% of means 9 upon 100, 2100. 2 zeros are cancelled. 21 multiply by 9 is 9. 9 2s are 18. So it is 189. I think it is clear to you. This is the value of CGST, and now SGST will be same. You can write direct its value. For a person 346.5, then for second person 337.5, then for person C 302.4, then 518.4, then 189. The next step is add this selling price. You need to add this, add 3850, this for person C, D and E. Total value you will get here, so 0, then 10, 10, 6, 16, 16 plus 6 is 12, then 15, 18, 25, 26, 26 plus 2, 28, then 6, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 2, 18. So your SP is rupees 18,820. Here you will also add total CGST, then its value will be rupees 1,693.8. Then CGST will also get same value. Now after calculation this, you will have to find the amount of bill, or you can write total money included GST is equal to selling price plus CGST plus SGST. Total SP is 18,820 and 1,693.8, then 1,693.8. Now add these all the values, we will get the answer 22,207.6 rupees. This is the answer. I think full procedure you understood. First of all, find discount on the money, then subtract it from the market price, you will get the selling price, add all the selling prices, then find CGST percentage. If GST percentage is given, then half it, find the percentage and got its value. Then CGST, same value you can write as these two GSTs differently, then amount of bill you will add these three. I think this is understood to all of you. Then question number 4, find the amount of bill for the following intra-state transaction and the rate of GST is 5%. Here quantity is given, means number of items are given 18, 24, 30 and 12, and market price of each in rupees, means here you will multiply 18 with 150 to get the market price. Then when you will get the value, find the discount. I will show to you here. Here you will make chart. First of all, number of items, number of items are 18. So market price MRP is 150. So total MRP is equal to 150 multiplied by 18. Then 24, 240 is there, 30, 100, 12, 120. Here you will multiply 240 with 24, you will get the value, then 30 with 100, then 12 with 120, you will get the value here. Then discount percentage is given. Discount is, here is 10%, so you will have to find the 10% of the value which you will get here. Then here is 20%, you will get the value here. Here you will find the 20%. Then next is 30%, you will have to find the 30% of this market value. Then 20%. After finding this, you will have to find what? Selling price. Selling price is equal to minus MP minus discount. Means these two values you will subtract and get value here. And after subtracting, you will write the value here. Then next. Then you will need to add all the selling price. Then here is the condition of intrastate condition. So here your GST is 5%, means half share you will have to go to the state government, and half share you will have to go give to the central government, and half to state government. So 5 half is 2.5. Then find the 2.5% of this selling price. You will get CGST. Then 2.5% of selling price, you will get the SGST. Then add these, you will get the value here. Then write value here after adding all the values. Then total amount is equal to selling price plus CGST plus SGST. Here you will get the total value. Please try yourself. Then in this exercise all the questions are same, only basic examples I explained to you. Like fifth question is here, find the amount of bill for the following interstate. Interstate means now transaction is from one state to another state. Here you will direct find the 18%. No need to find C, GST and SGST. Direct you will have to find. Here number of items are given 35. You will have to multiply 420, then 47 with 620 with 350. You will get the MP. Make columns. Then find discount on this value 10%. Then find the 10% of that value 20%. You will get the discount. Then selling price. Then no need to find CGST, SGST. Direct find 18% of each value. Then add all the values. Now in question number 6, find the amount of bill for the intra-state transaction. Here CGST is given. So discount percentage, you know the procedure. First of all find 30% of this, you will get the selling price. After subtracting, same you will have to make the column. Here CGST is 6%. Then 6% you will write CGST. Make another column. SGST will be the same. Then add all the values. You know very well, I already explained in the given assignment also. Then question number 7 is for the given data given above in question number 6, find the amount of bill for the interstate transaction. Interstate transaction means values will be same up to selling price. Then no need to find CGST or SGST, directly double it. 12, find the 12% of selling price, 18% of selling price, 14% of selling price, 5% of selling price, then add all the GST. Now students, try these questions. These are same. Question number 8 is also same. It is within the Delhi, it's Mumbai to Delhi. It is the condition of interstate transaction. So here SGST is given, so double it, 18%, because it is the share of state government only. So after finding discount, here no discount is given, directly 180 multiply by 100, then find the 18%. Okay, then go through the all the values, then add, you will get the answer. Then in 9th question, here supply is given from UP to UP. So within the state you need to find SGST 6% will be there, and CGST will also be 6%. Procedure you know, find the discount percent, selling price, same. These examples are same. Then up to question number 11, all the questions are same. Then question number 12, the tax invoice of telecom service in Meerut shows the cost of services provided by it as 750. If the GST is 18%, find the amount of bill. Your market price is 750. Find the 18%. GST is given, no CGST, no SGST is given here. Directly it is the GST. Find 18% of 750. Then you will get the value. Then add in 750. It is explained in the assignment also. Then question number 13. So here is the insurance policy. Family is paying 900 as SGST, means SGST is given, so CGST will also be 900. So total amount will be 1800 as GST. So find the total amount premium. Premium they have not given. We have to find the premium. How we will find? We will suppose it X. Let value of premium is equal to X. Then here SGST is given 900. So CGST will also be 900. So total GST is 900 plus 900 is 1800. So here GST rate is given 18%, means 18% of X will be 1800. So now here calculate it, you will get the value of X. So 18 upon 100 multiply by X is equal to 1800. Then X is equal to 1800, reciprocal it 100 upon 18. So here will be 800. So your cost will be 10,000 rupees. So policy's premium is rupees 10,000 answer. Then question number 14 is, Mr. Malik went to a hotel. He booked the room for 2 days, means cost is 5,000, and for 2 days the cost will be multiplied by 2, and his friend is also joined him, so 1000 rupees is extra, means we will have to add 1000 2 times because it's for 2 days. Then add it 10,000, so 11, then 12,000. So GST is given 28%. Find 28% of 12,000. Here you will get the value. Then total bill will be 12,000 plus you will get the GST. Then in same question number 15 is also same. Here Ashraf, he purchased the ticket for rupees 80. For 80 rupees ticket, GST is 18%, and for 120 rupees cost is your GST is 28%. First of all, you need to find 18% of 80. You will have to find, then 28% of 120 means he didn't get rupees 80 ticket, so he has to purchase the ticket of 120 for of upper class. Means how much extra GST did he pay? Means you will find here 18% of 80, then 28% of 120. Means extra GST he has to pay. Subtract these two values and you will get the answer here. I think this exercise is clear to you. Try it yourself. Same questions can come in the exams. No need to fear. Concept is same for all the questions. Thank you, and in the next video I will explain exercise first B for tax, input tax credit. Thank you.